People who think that Nano Banana can only be used to edit images are completely wrong. Because in this video, I'll show you how to generate unique images with Nano Banana and use them to earn money. But before we get started, just a small request. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future updates. So, let's begin the video. Let's start with ChatGPT. First of all, in the description you will find a prompt. The very first step is to copy that prompt and paste it here inside ChatGPT. As soon as you click Next, ChatGPT will take a few moments to think and process the input in order to provide you with the best possible result. After a short wait, it will generate a universal JSON prompt for you. With the help of this universal prompt, you'll be able to generate almost any type of image, no matter what the subject is. Make sure you copy the prompt properly inside a code block so you can use it later without mistakes. Now let me show you an example. For practice, I'll download a few images from Google and demonstrate the process of editing them. In real projects, however, your client will always provide you with the product images that need editing. For example, I go to Google and type Nike sneakers into the search box. Just like this, your client will provide similar product photos for editing. I'll click on one of these sneaker images and download it. Next, I also need a model image, so I'll search for one as well. Basically, for manipulation editing, you need two images, one product image and one character image. Let's say I find a good model photo that looks suitable. I'll go ahead and download that too. Now we come to the real magic trick. You need to go back to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Open the very first link that appears and sign in with your account. Once you log in, a dashboard like this will appear. On this dashboard, you will upload the two images that we just downloaded, the product image and the model image. Then paste the same JSON prompt that we generated earlier using ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, simply click on the Run button. Now just wait a few seconds. As soon as the process completes, you will be surprised to see the results. Take a look at this first example. Nano Banana has perfectly made the model wear the sneakers. Notice the details. The shadows are blended naturally. The perspective looks realistic and nothing seems fake at all. Let's move on to a second example. This time, I'll search for skin whitening lotion. From the list of images, I'll select one product that looks a little more challenging so we can test whether Nano Banana keeps the product consistent or not. After downloading it, I'll again search for a woman's photo, maybe in a makeup room, and I'll download one that looks good. Now, go back to Nano Banana, upload both the product image and the model image, paste the same prompt again, and click Run. Look closely at the result. Nano Banana has handled the editing in a very natural way. The product looks perfectly placed, the pose of the character matches the product naturally, and everything remains consistent. Finally, let's try a third example. This time, I'll download a coffee cup image from Google. Along with it, I'll also download a picture of a girl sitting in a park. Once again, upload both of these images into Nano Banana, paste the same JSON prompt, and hit Run. Now check out this final result. Nano Banana has seamlessly adjusted the cup in the girl's hand. The shadows, the lighting, and the positioning all look so natural that it seems like a real photograph. The editing is consistent, clean, and professional. Now we have learned how to create images. But the real question is, how can we earn money from them? The most popular website for this is Fiverr. Just take a look at how much people are charging for even a single image there. The next website is Upwork, so make sure you also create an account on it. On Upwork as well, you can see how much people are charging per hour for the same photo editing work. So whoever watched the video till the end will definitely be able to earn with this skill. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mr. Sham AI, because here you'll always get the best tips, tricks, and AI updates before anyone else. And if you also want to learn how to create 3D documentary videos, just click on the video on the left. See you in the next video. Goodbye.